Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will talk about modern TV and design ideas. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and also share this video with your friends. Thank you. Dear viewers, TV unit design are versatile pieces of furniture, adding practicality and aesthetics to the space. Our team of experts bring a plethora of TV cabinet designs and materials, offering creative solutions with plenty of storage and visual appeal to escalate the style quotient of your interiors. Whether you love a traditional look or minimalist flair, choose the desired stand and let your personality shine. Are you envisioning a living room makeover with a stunning TV unit design? Look no further. Our seasoned experts at Interior Company have curated a collection of TV unit colors and theme ideas that not only streamline cable kaise but also elevate the overall aesthetic of your space. Choose a bold, contrasting color that sets the stage for your TV furniture design to shine. For a classic yet striking look, opt for a sleek black TV stand design against a white backdrop. Stay on trend with delightful pastel-colored TV cupboard designs complemented by warm wooden paneling. Boost your space with the timeless allure of great TV wardrobe design paired with natural wood tones. A TV unit is the nucleus of the living room, uniting family and friends for cherished moments. Elevating the experience calls for the perfect TV stand. Thankfully, Interior Company brings you creative and stylish design ideas to amp up your room with a varied choice of materials. Craft a TV cabinet design that is adaptable to your room size and serves both function and purpose.